a good day everyone, and today we will see how to create a 2 sashes window as dynamic block. This is the plan view. Okay, let's see. Go distance, DI enter, click here, multiple, M enter, wall depth 225, window width 1200. Okay, exit. Now go wipe out frame, click, close, C enter, select wipe out frame, change to layer, wipe out, draw order, DR enter, send to back. Okay, now go block, B enter, block name 2 sashes window. Okay, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, parameter linear, repeat linear, select linears, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, exit, select distance 1, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, distance 2, rename, window width, enter. Okay, now go parameters, alignment, click center, click here. Now go action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch 1, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, move, select parameter point, select alignment parameter, enter, go move, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, now go parameters, flip, click here. Okay, go action, move, select parameter point, select flip parameter, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, move, select parameter point, select object, select flip parameter, enter, go move to properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter, save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, stretch, flip, stretch, flip, stretch. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.